Ben, do you want to try one of your cookies? One of your creations? What do you think? It needs some sprinkles? Okay, give it a try. Taste your cookie. Here, try this one with all the frosting.
No.
No, you don't like it?
No, I like it.
You don't like it. What's Dada doing?
Down.
Dada fell down. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Is Dada silly? He is. Did Ben make some really good cookies? Did you decorate the cookies real nice? Alright. Oh, well, that's an efficient way to get sprinkles. No? You don't like those?
No, I don't.
You don't like those. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.